To see all application data, you'll need to click on the Boost tab, then scroll down to where it says Export a report of all applications. Then click on Report of all applications. In the Program Application Export page, click Export at the top right. When you click Export, it will show you different options on how to receive the data. The formatted report version only offers the XLSX version of the export, which is an Excel spreadsheet. Once you click Export, the file will begin to download, and then you will receive a notification that it has downloaded. Click on the notification to open up the spreadsheet. The Details Only option also allows for you to download the XLSX version of the data, as well as the CSV version of the data, which is compatible for uploading the data to another system. Once you click Export, the file will also download as an Excel spreadsheet.